Our next topic is types of insurance policies. First classification according to duration of policies. According to duration of policies, policies may be first one whole life policies. In the case of whole life policies, the assured sum is payable on the death of the insured. The amount will not be paid during his lifetime. Such a policy is called whole life policy. That means the assured sum is payable only on the event of the death of the insured. Second one, term insurance policies. This is a short-term policy for a period ranging from 3 months to 7 years. The sum assured is payable only on the event of the death of the insured within the period of policy. Okay, it is taken for a short period of time, and the sum assured is payable only on the death of the insured within the period of policy. Third one, endowment policies. So under endowment policy, the assured amount is payable in the event of death or after a specified period of time. ഒന്നുകിൽ ഒരു നിശ്ചിത സമയത്തേക്കാണ്, ഒരു 5 വർഷം 10 വർഷത്തേക്കൊക്കെയാണ് ഈ പോളിസി എടുക്കുന്നത്. അതിനിടയിൽ ഈ വ്യക്തി മരണപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ സമയത്ത് അഷ്യൂർഡ് സം കൊടുക്കും. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എപ്പോഴാണോ ആ കാലാവധി പൂർത്തിയാവുന്നത് ആ സമയത്ത് പേയ്മെൻറ്റ് നടത്തും. ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ടൈപ്സ് ഓഫ് എൻഡോമെൻറ്റ് പോളിസീസ്. First one, pure endowment policy. The sum assured is payable to the assured if the policyholder survives the endowment period. If he dies earlier, then his nominees should receive the premium already paid minus the premium paid in the first year. Okay, so the assured sum will be payable to the assured if the policyholder survives the endowment period. Suppose the insured dies before the maturity period, then his nominees will receive only the premium already paid minus premium paid in the first year. Next one, ordinary endowment policy. The amount under this policy becomes payable on the death of the insured or on the maturity of the policy, whichever is earlier. Joint life endowment policy. Okay, under this policy, 2 lives are covered. The sum assured is payable on the death of one of the 2 assured or on the expiry of the terms. Okay, the sum assured will be payable on the death of one of the 2 assured or on the expiry of the terms. Double endowment policy. Under this policy, if the life assured dies during the endowment period, the basic sum assured is payable. And if he survives to the end of the term, double the sum assured will be payable. Okay, so under double insurance policy, if the life assured dies during the endowment period, the basic sum assured is payable. Okay, a basic sum will be there, that sum is payable. And if he survives to the end of the term, double the sum assured is payable to the insured. Next one, money back policy. A certain percentage of the sum assured is paid by the insurance company at certain intervals. So this policy is taken for 5 years or 10 years, and a certain percentage of the sum assured is paid by the insurance company to the insured at certain intervals, every year or after every 2 years, like. Next one, fixed term marriage endowment policy. Under this policy, the sum assured is payable only at the end of the stipulated period, but the premium ceases if the death of the policyholder occurs earlier. This policy is taken to provide funds for the marriage of children. Okay. Triple benefit policy. This is a combination of whole life limited payment and a pure endowment with a guaranteed annual bonus payable on death during endowment term. And this policy is usually issued for a period of 15 to 20 or 25 years. And this policy guarantees three benefits. First one, 15% to 20% of the sum assured shall be payable on the death of the assured and until the end of the endowment period each year regularly to the family as a provision. Okay, 15 to 20% of the sum assured will be paid at the time of death of the assured and until the end of the endowment period each year regularly to the family as a provision. Second benefit, sum assured shall be payable in addition to the above provision at the time of maturity of the policy. In addition to the provision paid to the family, the sum assured will be paid in addition to the above provision at the time of maturity of the policy. Next one, if the insured survives, the sum assured shall be payable. Besides, an equal amount also becomes payable after death. Okay, so these are the three benefits enjoyed under triple benefit policy. Next classification, policies according to method of premium payments. First one, single premium policy. So under this policy, the whole premium is paid by the insured at the beginning of the policy. So at the time of taking the policy itself, the whole premium is paid by the insured. Level premium policy or ordinary whole life policy. The premium is payable regularly throughout the life of the assured. The premium may be paid monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or yearly. Third classification, policies according to participation of profits. First one, with profit policies. The policy holders are entitled to a share in the profit of the insurance company by way of bonus, which will be paid along with claim. Okay, so under with the profit policies, the policy holders are entitled to get a share in the profit of the insurance company by way of bonus, and this bonus will be paid along with the claim. Second one, without profit policies. The holders of these policies are not entitled to any profit of the insurer. The policy holders will get only the sum assured and no bonus is given to them. Fourth one, policies according to the number of persons insured. First one, single life policies. So in this case, only one individual is insured. Second one, multiple life policies. So here, life of more than one person is insured and the multiple life policies may be, first one, joint life policy. In the case of joint life policy, lives of two or more persons are covered and the policy amount is payable on the first death. This is suitable for partners in a partnership firm or couples. Okay. Policy amount is paid on the death of the first person. The next one, last survivor policy. This policy amount is payable at the last death. No payment is made so long as any of the insured is alive. അപ്പോൾ രണ്ടുപേരുടെ ആൾക്കാരുടെ പേരിലാണ് എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ഏറ്റവും അവസാനത്തെ വ്യക്തി മരണപ്പെടുമ്പോൾ മാത്രമേ പോളിസി എമൗണ്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്നുള്ളൂ. ഈ എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു വ്യക്തി ജീവിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നിടത്തോളം കാലം പേയ്മെൻറ്റ് നടത്തില്ല. എല്ലാ പോളിസി എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ആളുകളും മരണപ്പെട്ടാൽ മാത്രമേ പോളിസി എമൗണ്ട് തിരിച്ച് കൊടുക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. ഫിഫ്ത്ത് വൺ, പോളിസീസ് അക്കോർഡിംഗ് ടു ദി മെത്തേഡ് ഓഫ് പേയ്മെൻറ്റ് ഓഫ് ക്ലെയിം. Okay, first one, lump sum policies. The sum assured is paid in lump sum on the happening of the event insured against. Okay, amount is paid in lump sum. Second one, installments or annuity policies. The amount is payable in installments instead of payment in lump sum. The insured will get a fixed sum regularly up to a fixed period or up to his death. Non-conventional policies. Some insurance companies have started issuing various attractive non-conventional policies which suit the requirements of each individual. Life Insurance Corporation of India Limited launched some policies like Jeevan Akshay, Jeevan Dhara, Jeevan Kishore, Jeevan Surabhi, etc. to meet the requirements of various individuals. Annuities. Annuity is a financial contract in the form of an insurance product according to which a life insurance company makes a series of future payments to a person in exchange for the immediate payment of a lump sum or a series of regular payments. അപ്പം എന്താണ്, ഒന്നുകിൽ ഒന്നിച്ച് ഒരു തുക ഇൻഷുറൻസ് കമ്പനി വാങ്ങിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇൻസ്റ്റാൾമെൻ്റായിട്ട് ഒരു തുക വാങ്ങിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഓരോ വർഷവും നിശ്ചിത തുക വെച്ച് തിരിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുന്ന ഒരു പോളിസിയാണ് ആന്വിറ്റി പോളിസി എന്ന് വിളിക്കുന്നത്. There are two phases of an annuity. There are two phases for an annuity. First one, the accumulation phase, in which the customer deposits and accumulates money into an account. And second phase is the distribution phase. In this phase, the insurance company makes income payments until the death of the annuitant. രണ്ട് ഫേസസ് ആണ്. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ഘട്ടത്തിൽ ഒന്നുകിൽ ഇൻസ്റ്റാൾമെൻ്റ് ആയിട്ട് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മൊത്തമായിട്ട് ഒരു തുക ഇൻഷുറൻസ് കമ്പനിക്ക് ഇൻഷുറൻസ് എടുക്കുന്ന വ്യക്തി അടക്കുന്ന ഒരു ഘട്ടമാണ്. രണ്ടാമത്തെ ഘട്ടത്തിൽ ഈ ഇൻഷുറൻസ് കമ്പനി ഇൻഷുർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന വ്യക്തിക്ക് ഒരു നിശ്ചിത തുക വീതം വർഷാവർഷം അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ മരണം വരെ ആന്വിറ്റി ആയിട്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്ന ഒരു ഘട്ടമാണ്. Then now we are going to discuss procedure for taking a life insurance policy. Okay. First of all, first step, proposal form. The person who wants to take an insurance policy should fill up a prescribed proposal form, which is usually provided by the insurance agents. The proposer is required to give correct information on the basis of utmost good faith. That's the first step. Second step, proof of age. The applicant is required to submit necessary proof of age along with the proposal form. Third step, medical examination. Medical examination is not required in all cases. On receipt of the proposal form, the age proof, the proposer is sent to an approved doctor for medical examination, and the medical officer will submit medical reports. Agent's reports. The agent is required to furnish a confidential report about the proposer in the prescribed form. This report usually contains a true and correct information regarding the health and financial condition of the proposer. Okay, so the agent is required to furnish a confidential report about the proposer in the prescribed form to the insurance company. Next step, acceptance of proposal. On the basis of the information provided, the insurance company decides to accept or reject the proposal. The company may either reject or accept the proposal. If the proposal is accepted, the premium rate is finalized by the company and the acceptance letter is sent to the insured. Next up, payment of first premium. On the basis of the premium notice sent by the insurance company to the insured pays the first premium. And last step, issue of life insurance policy. The insurer prepares the policy in proper form, duly stamped and signed by the authorized person. This policy is sent to the insured in his registered address. Okay. Thank you.